What does it take to become the eyes in the sky before a plane ever leaves the ground? Behind every safe flight is a skilled aviation meteorologist interpreting storms, jet streams, and turbulence that can't be seen from the cockpit. If you're dreaming of joining their ranks, knowing the weather isn't enough. You'll need a specific set of skills to thrive in this fast-paced, high-stakes environment. Here's what truly matters. Before we begin, remember to subscribe and bookmark this playlist as we add more videos in this series in which we examine this career in more detail. Post any questions in the comments. Mastering meteorological fundamentals. At the heart of the role is a deep understanding of atmospheric science. You'll need a strong command of synoptic meteorology, thermodynamics, cloud physics, and climatology. These are the building blocks for interpreting weather models and understanding how various systems interact on both a global and local scale. It's not just about reading weather maps, it's about interpreting patterns, predicting how weather evolves over time, and identifying risks before they become realities. Whether it's forecasting convective activity or identifying clear air turbulence, solid technical knowledge is essential. Precision and attention to detail. In aviation meteorology, precision isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. A small error in a terminal aerodrome forecast or a misread radar scan can have major operational consequences. Aspiring aviation meteorologists must cultivate meticulous attention to detail when analyzing satellite imagery, interpreting model outputs, or crafting weather bulletins. Every cloud height, wind shift, and temperature gradient matters. Airlines rely on you to provide forecasts that are both accurate and tailored to flight safety, which means your assessments must be sharp, thorough, and constantly reviewed. Rapid decision-making under pressure. Weather doesn't wait. As an aviation meteorologist, you'll often have to make fast, informed decisions when conditions suddenly shift. Thunderstorms may build unexpectedly, frontal systems can accelerate, and fog can roll in without much warning. This is where mental agility becomes vital. You must be able to assess new information quickly, weigh risks, and issue timely updates that help pilots and operations teams act decisively. The ability to stay calm and analytical in high-pressure scenarios is one of the most valuable traits in the field. Clear and confident communication. You might be the expert on the weather, but if you can't communicate that information clearly, it's not helpful. Pilots, dispatchers, and air traffic controllers don't need a lecture in meteorology. They need concise, actionable insights. Whether you're issuing a SIGMET, briefing a flight crew, or updating a forecast during a developing storm, your language must be professional, direct, and tailored to your audience. Being a good communicator also means being a good listener, understanding what information stakeholders need and how they prefer to receive it. Tech savviness and data literacy. Aviation meteorologists rely on an array of sophisticated tools and platforms, high-resolution weather models, Doppler radar systems, satellite feeds, and flight tracking systems, just to name a few. Comfort with data analysis and software is critical. A basic understanding of programming languages like Python or tools like GIS can be a huge asset. These skills help you manipulate data, automate routine tasks, and create more efficient forecasting workflows. As aviation forecasting becomes more digitized, tech literacy is becoming just as important as atmospheric knowledge. Situational awareness and operational context. What makes aviation meteorology unique is the need to integrate weather expertise with operational context. That means understanding how different weather phenomena impact aircraft performance, how airports function under low visibility conditions, or how icing affects fuel consumption and altitude planning. Aspiring professionals must develop situational awareness that goes beyond the clouds. What matters is how the weather affects flight safety, timing, and routing. This requires staying informed about airspace regulations, airport layouts, and the specific needs of different aircraft types. Becoming an aviation meteorologist isn't just about loving the weather. It's about using science, precision, and communication to protect lives in the sky. From understanding atmospheric dynamics to handling real-time pressure, the skills you build now will shape your future in this demanding yet rewarding career. If you're passionate about aviation and ready to think on your feet, the skies are waiting for you.